Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by changing noise into control. Switch to a creator or business account if needed, because algorithm signals differ. Once done, scan your last 30 posts and remove any that trigger policy flags. This reduces negative signals quickly. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and update your bio with clear contact info. Platforms favor verified-looking profiles. These initial steps stop further demotion and prepare your account to rebuild positive engagement moving forward. Now you focus on rebuilding trust by producing consistent, compliant content. Publish 3 high-quality posts over the next week to 10 days that follow community rules and invite genuine interaction. Once live, use 3 to 5 precise hashtags and avoid any known ban tags so discovery is safe. Make sure to manually respond to 10 to 20 real comments daily. Organic replies and saved engagement patterns tell the system your account is legitimate, which gradually restores recommendation likelihood. Finish by checking insights. Track reach and engagement shifts over the next 2 weeks and tweak posting times by 15 to 30 minutes to find better windows. If content was wrongly restricted, submit an appeal immediately and document the case. That can reverse an automated block. If recovery stalls, pause big changes and wait 14 to 21 days. Sudden drastic shifts risk fresh penalties. Troubleshooting tip: if reach drops again, re-audit recent posts and remove any borderline material before re-attempting promotion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.